Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to do something really different. Like, I'm doing it because I got an assignment, and today I'm going to try folk art for the first time ever in my life. Honestly, I don't like design because I am really not into design that much. Like, I don't get that much idea about designs. So whenever I get assignment about designs, and I'm just I don't know what to do. But this time I tried my best, and I mailed my um, teacher to approve my layout, like approve my design, and he did it. So that's why then I did it, and I'm so happy because this video is gonna get so many bloopers, I think. Whatever. So I'm gonna do folk art for this video, and I'll try my best to do it. And I don't know my teacher will like it or not, because he just saw the layout, like the normal drawing, the basic drawing, the basic design. He didn't see it with colors. But after because I'm making this video, and it took me this like 1 week to make this video, because it was design and I was doing it, and I did the layout. I sent it my teacher on Friday. He replied me maybe Monday or some like that, and I was like already doing the final touch, and with the color. That time I really messed up, because that time I got my teacher's mail, and he said, please remove the O's and put some another folk figure or folk design, folk art there. So I was like, damn, I was just about to give my final shot, but he just. So then I did it again, and during that time I got my booster dose, and it was kind of difficult for me. I was sick for 2 or 3 days. I couldn't do anything, and it took me whole week to do it. And because it was summer vacation, so it was not that bad. Like, I was in the holiday or the off day, so it was okay. So finally I did it, and I don't know my teacher will like it or not with the color, but let's pray for the best. And now I will show you the process. But before that, I did some shopping, and actually I tried to make another video of that, but that video is gonna be little really is a small duration video. So I thought, let's mix it out, because I did that shopping for my this assignment, so that's important. So I'm making 2 videos, like I'm doing the 2 videos into 1 videos. So yeah, that's it. Let's see my folk art, and let's see my journey. And yeah, let's get started. So this is what I shopped. This is what this bag, whatever I have, these are this in this bag. And I bought these 2 papers. One is for art paper, and another one is tracing paper. And I'm gonna use tracing paper to trace it, because you have to make it same to same. In case of drawing, in case of design, you have to make it same to same. So make it easy, because I want to make it easy. So that's why I bought tracing paper, because I'm gonna use it. And I will just put the tracings on the other side, and it will both look same to same. That's why I bought it. And I also have a plan with it. Maybe I'm gonna upload a video with it, because I'm planning something right now, and I will tell you what, but not in this video because I'm still experimenting with it. Now I bought two brushes. One is 000 and other one is one. This is a keep smiling brush. These are keep smiling brushes, and I really like it because these are really expensive for me, but these are so good. One of my teacher, he said that these brushes are so expensive, but these are really really good. These are not like normal hair brushes, like a brush. There is a company in my country which is called Rabbi Brush. Those are not good. I don't like it, but I really love this one, Keep Smiling brand. And now I bought some snacks for my mom because she really likes it. So I bought 6 packets of biscuits for her, and now I'm showing you a box of some clips because I need it. Actually right now I don't need it, but it was looking so fancy and kind of cute, and I was finding some type of clips which look something different from regular. That's why I bought it, and now I'm showing you the sketchbook that I bought. I need a sketchbook and I forgot it at my dorm, and now I need it, so that's why I bought a sketchbook. Whatever I'm gonna sketch, you're gonna see it, so don't worry about it. I'll try my best, and I have an assignment of for it, so that's why I bought it. And for the last piece, oh yeah, I bought like poster colors. And if you're my subscriber, then you know that I don't have I have camel poster color, but right now I don't have it, so I need it because I need to do it with the design, so that's why I bought it. And the last, but not the least, is my this keychain. I really love it and it's looking quite cute, so that's why I bought it. I really love this one, so I thought let's bought it. So yeah, now my dad is helping me. I'm trying to spreading the paper. This is gonna be the layout paper for my design, and my dad is trying to help me because it's kind of rolled up and I'm unable to handle it, so he's trying to help me to solve it, and he's really helpful to me. And there's a thing that I'm not good with lines, like not good with scales. I really need someone who can draw straight lines with scale, so that's why he's doing it for me. And it's okay because not everyone can do it. In at least in my class, they're all like this. And now I'm just drawing the shapes the way I want. The final piece gonna look kind of different. It's just a layout, and there will be so many things that I'm gonna change in future. Now I'm just trying to color it the way I want. It's a really big piece, so it's gonna take some time, and I'm trying my best. It took so much time, like 2 or 3 days. It was so tiring, but I still did it, and I'm happy for it. Pause. So this was the time when I got his mail, and I saw that he told me to change some things in my design, and I was messed up, but I get it myself and I did it again, and you will see it now, the process and I'm doing it again. I didn't shoot the whole video of doing it, like making the whole layout videos or whole creating the whole design video, because it's taking too much time. Because when I make the made that layout. It took me almost 5 hours to do it, and when I was doing that color and I was doing everything again, so it took me almost 3 to 4 days. So it was quite a long time, so uh, I didn't film that whole thing, but I did take some part of the videos. I did film some part of that design. So now I'll show you what I did next. So, and now here I'm trying to do the thing that he said. My teacher told me to change the walls and remove the walls, that I'm just doing it. It was quite tiring because I changed the whole thing. Like I needed to color it again, I have to do all of our things again. But the thing is, at the last one, at the last page, at the last moment, I have to change it again, and I have to do it in my class, and it was quite tiring because he wanted it the way he wants. He was giving me his suggestion and advice, and he wanted me to and here I am trying to do work at my class because my teacher told me to change the yellow colors. As you can see, I have done all the yellows in my last piece, but right now I have to change it for the sake of my teacher, because he said that it's too much yellow, I can't even look at it, so you have to change it. That's why I'm working at class. And this is what the final piece is looking like. I'm so happy with it, and I added so many things, so many designs, and I changed so many designs, and I added some designs because this is the way my teacher wanted. But I know that at the last moment I'm gonna get the lowest mark, maybe. I'm not sure about it because folk art is not something that I can do, but design is not my thing. But I tried my best, and here I'm trying to show you what I did. It's just I'm happy with it. It's looking quite good. Yeah, this is the final look. So that's it. Finally, we are done with our folk design, and this was my first time. And folk design is not my, like, design is not my thing. Drawing is my thing, but I have to do it because it's an assignment, and I will keep getting in this type of assignment until I get my subject. So let's do it. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you love to watch art related videos, painting related videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So bye.